Good morning.
So bright out here.
What are we doing today?
Today we are going to Volcano Bay. We're gonna be 2 of 10 people.
It's fine. It's 70 degrees, which compared to Kansas City right now is tropical. And yeah, there probably won't be very many people there, so
but it
all
was
good
included
things.
In our ticket.
Yeah, I mean we paid for a 3-park ticket, so we might as well use it, right? Plus it's gonna be cold the last couple days.
Yes, today is our one and only shot. It actually feels a little bit better today than yesterday, I think.
Yeah, it's just cloudy today, so we'll see how the weather goes. Right now we're headed to the food court at Cabana Bay to get breakfast. And then coffee, and we'll go to Volcano Bay. 2-day 3-park, yeah.
And then we got pizza.
Right.
So it really wouldn't have made sense. I looked at getting
donuts.
Hey, how are you?
I'm always out. What are your thoughts on the French toast, honey?
It's good. I like it.
Yeah, it's pretty solid.
No
Potatoes.
complaints.
What about potatoes?
Normal potatoes, nothing.
Yeah.
Little salt, little pepper.
In our new Cabana Bay refillable mugs.
Where are we headed?
Volcano Bay, yo.
It's a little breezy. A little chilly. Probably gonna be mostly taking pictures for the first part of the day. It's the construction going on. Which one is that?
Aventura.
Aventura. We are headed to the Cabana Bay Resort guest entry. Any resort. For people who are crazy enough to be here in this cold weather.
Oh yeah. Alright, we're in.
We're in.
Let's check this place out.
Very dark today.
Yeah, looking like it could rain, but you know what? It's okay.
We've got the park to ourselves. We should be able to do everything.
Look at that. That is pretty impressive. Alright, we gotta find a locker for all of our stuff. Let's go look at this map. There's the wait times. 0 waits. Alright. So lockers. Let's go to those and then we'll we could ride the water coaster.
Let's do it. Right.
Alright.
The humidity is very thick.
I sure could use a nice
Visit a ride to get a return time. Okay. Can I get one of those?
I don't know, maybe.
We need a magnet?
I don't know, we need a pin.
Pin would be cool.
This one is cool. Or do we need one that says Volcano Bay?
Yeah. You like this one? The yellow one? That's cool. Look how massive these things are. Look at that. Turn your phone into a tablet. We're walking out.
We are.
Sad face.
It was a lot of fun.
It was a blast.
Wearable return.
Thank you, you too. All right. We just left Volcano Bay. We had a blast, didn't we?
Yes, it was awesome.
It was a great time. What was your favorite ride?
Definitely the water coaster.
The water coaster. Yeah.
Loved that.
Yep, we did that one 3 times, I think. 3 or 4 times.
Yeah.
But it was great. We got in an hour early with our on-site hotel access, and there were some slides that weren't open until 10. We went in at 9, but yeah, it was great. There were like no people.
Yeah.
There's nobody there all day.
Weather held off for the most part.
Yeah, with the exception of a rain shower.
Yeah, rain for a few minutes, but it worked out where it was right when we were having a lunch break, so.
Yeah. Yep. No, but I mean, we didn't wait for anything all day. I think the longest we probably waited was 5 minutes for
the last time
the
we
aqua
rode
coaster.
The aqua
But yeah, Tapu Tapu was, we really didn't use it because we didn't have to get in line for anything.
We used it to pay.
We used it to pay for stuff, which was fine.
It was nice, it worked, didn't have any issues.
Yeah, but it was awesome. All the slides were great. We didn't do the big drop slides in the volcano because we were scared of cats. Highly recommend going to Volcano Bay in January.
Yeah.
There's no one here, but the water was super warm.
Yeah.
It was not cold at all. That's what we were afraid of, was the cold water. But yeah, it was fantastic all the way around.
All right, where are we headed?
We are headed back to the parks. Probably Islands of Adventure first. We need to do Jurassic Park while it's still 78 degrees. You have not done that ride yet.
Alright, we are headed into Islands of Adventure.
Yes, we are.
We're gonna do Hulk. We're gonna do Jurassic Park.
Yep.
Alright.
Where are we headed?
Jurassic Park.
The River Adventure?
River Adventure?
Yeah.
That's what it's called.
Yeah, the Jurassic Park River Adventure.
Just the name makes me not want to ride it.
What did you think of Hulk?
It was good. Got my head
It was
a little
good,
bit,
but
other than that, it was fun.
yeah.
It's always a good roller coaster.
Yeah, a little bumpier than I was expecting, considering it's been rebuilt from the ground up. But
the upgrades they made inside and in that tunnel.
yes, the queue was very cool.
Ready?
Put on your poncho,
Put on my
wimp.
plastic sheet. This is like cheap trash bag quality.
$8 on Amazon.
For a 5-pack?
Yeah, $8 for a 5-pack. We got 2 of them.
Alright.
Wonderful.
Tight. Not made for our fat heads.
All right.
Let's do this. I'm ready.
So, honey, you want to tell us what just happened?
So we were on our way to ride Forbidden Journey, and I was like, ooh, let me look and see, make sure my sunglasses are in the backpack. I searched the backpack, couldn't find them. Made Jeff search through it. He couldn't find them. Pretty sure I left him in the locker from when we rode Hulk, so we hooked it all the way back. And luckily somebody did turn them in, and I got my sunglasses.
It's a miracle. Oh.
It is, for once.
Alright, so what's the plan now?
Should we do Poseidon's Fury?
We could do Poseidon's Fury.
What else?
We could do anything in Seuss Landing. We haven't gone to Seuss Landing at all.
We have not. We've not set a single toe in Seuss Landing.
Alright, let's head that way and we'll see what happens.
Alright.
Restrooms were nice.
Were
Thanks
they?
for asking.
Where are we headed?
I don't know. I guess let's get something to eat. Toothsome.
For some dinner.
That's cool. You want this chocolate? That is fancy.
What do you want to eat that?
It says eat me right on the side.
I know, but I
Eat
don't
me.
want to.
Where did we end up?
Disney Springs. We have a Disney
did.
problem. Before you cook it.
Let's go get some Coca-Cola. Oh, it's a little phone charger. USB power bank.
We are at the Coca-Cola store. We got an international tray. We're gonna try.
16 different sodas from around.
Okay, I'm gonna
Yeah, why don't you do that?
man the map here. Alright, number 1. Stony Tangawizi. Easy.
Something.
Tanzania.
Tanzania. Tanzania.
To my
Or Tanzania, whatever you want to say.
Tanzania listeners.
Suspense is killing me.
Yeah.
To be honest, it tastes a lot like Sprite.
You don't get the ginger at all?
Maybe like a ginger. I don't know, I don't really drink ginger. It's good, it just tastes like a Sprite.
Tastes like
good.
Is it bubbly? Very fizzy.
It looks fizzier than it is. Yep.
This one smells very sweet, like straight up sugar. And it tastes very sweet, like if you liquefied cotton candy.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Sweet.
That's like the best. Almost like a cream soda. way more
creamy
sweet.
and
Way
no
more sweet.
cream. I want to see if you can guess any of the flavors
Okay.
in it.
It's like champagne. It's like tea. It's like a green tea.
Yep. Fresh tea, green honey tea.
Nailed it.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Yeah. It looks like a Jolly Rancher.
It does. It's like a Jolly Rancher.
Kind of tastes like a green apple Jolly Rancher. It takes a second to recognize it because kiwi's not an artificial flavor you're used to.
Yeah, it tastes exactly like a Jolly Rancher. It's good. I don't think it's overwhelming watermelon flavor.
It has a watermelon taste to it. We may not be the best judge of this right now either, given our current
Yeah, we can't taste anything.
or smell anything. Kind of just tastes like a flat crust.
What is it called again?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up? No, I'm asking. Thumbs up. It's Coca-Cola.
I have a feeling I'm gonna like it because I like most palate cleansers.
Okay. Oh. Okay. It takes a while. It takes like good 5 seconds for the bad stuff to hit you. Yeah, it's not good.
Did it cleanse your palate?
Probably. Yeah. No, it just like stays on your tongue too.
So it cleansed your palate of everything
cleansed-
but Beverly.
Yes, it is all Beverly right now. It kind of makes your tongue tingle a little bit.
Yeah.
Not in a good way.
Alright, Beverly, I'm ready for you. It smells like a ginger
It doesn't.
ale.
Yeah.
It does take like a second. It's almost like eating a lemon peel. That's what it tastes like.
Yeah.
The peel.
Not good though.
It's not good, but
It's
not
terrible.
It's not like I want to scrape my tongue back. Yeah, like a Sprite.
Sprite. You know what it tastes like? Fresca. Remember Fresca?
Yes.
That stuff is terrible. That's what this tastes like. Fresca from like Sam's Club or whatever you bought Fresca. That's what it tastes like.
Fresca, the soda only your dad drinks.
Yes, my dad loved Fresca.
Oh, did he?
Yes.
I just have like dads in
No, he
general.
did. Got all of them from Fresca.
Was it diet Fresca
No. Come on now.
Next we have Kingsbury tea from Georgia.
The country.
I'm not gonna lie, it did take a... Could you tell by the way I said Georgia that I initially thought the state?
It's fine. It's alright.
Yeah. It's berry tea. Nothing right
Alright,
home
what
about.
next?
That one's nice.
I like that one.
Yeah.
Hard to really say much about it. It tastes like cherry flavored. Kind of tastes like a cherry.
Yeah. Sounds good. This one's on apple.
It could be apple.
Because it does kind of have a... You guess it's from Sweden.
Yeah.
They love their BJs. Does it remind you of lingonberry? A jam from IKEA?
It does taste like a thing IKEA would sell. Like, not that great, but that's the job. That's IKEA.
But you buy it.
But you buy it. Yep. That one's unremarkable, but it's not bad. It's
Does it taste like
good.
a cola?
Yeah.
Is it just me or does everything taste a little watered down?
I don't know.
This one is like straight up Robitussin.
Get that tussin. Oh, yeah. You can smell it. Yeah.
I think they just poured
That's your
Robitussin in
Robitussin.
there. So, favorites? Give me a top 3.
Oh God, I don't remember any of them.
If you look at here, will it refresh you?
No, probably not. Yeah, the Fanta apple kiwi. That one was pretty good. Beverly was awful. That's my least favorite.
Definitely this one, the black currant. That one was my fave.
That was a good one.
And I liked that first one that you thought was the Tanzania one.
There, you did it again.
You know,
Now I can't say it right.
potato,
Any
tomato,
Tanzanians
tomato,
are going to be very offended if they ever see
tomato,
this.
It's the same. Tanzania.